Do you have problems with high uric acid? Find out to treat it with a natural recipe. During the digestive process, uric acid is a substance produced by our body when food is broken down. To eliminate it, our cells dissolve it and carry it in the bloodstream to our kidneys where it gets expelled. Next, the kidneys filter the blood and get rid of the residue through our urine. When there is a buildup of uric acid, there is an imbalance in the tissue, either because our body is producing too much or because it's not eliminating it properly. This condition is called hyperuricemia, and with time, it could form crystals that affect our renal and joint health. Thankfully, there are natural elements whose properties help lower high uric acid by helping our body detox more effectively. Both artichoke and lemon help control inflammation due to their diuretic and purifying properties that lower high uric acid. Lemon and artichoke juice is a detox drink, rich in vitamins and minerals that offers a variety of benefits for our body's health. With very few calories, this juice helps regulate the triglyceride and cholesterol levels and also helps you lose weight. Its digestive properties are used to treat inflammatory diseases like the ones that cause high uric acid. Furthermore, rich in antioxidants, this recipe helps stop cellular damage and prevent premature tissue deterioration. Artichoke is a very healthy vegetable that many doctors recommend to people that are looking to improve their eating habits. It's not only a rich source of nutrients, but it also has very few calories. Artichoke contains minerals: magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, iron. Vitamins A, B, C. Carbohydrates, fiber, fatty acids, protein. This nutritious compound aids in the liver's function because it avoids any interruptions in the process and helps dissolve the fats that build up in our tissues. The organic acids help lower the high uric acid in the body and consequently makes its elimination easier through the filtering process conducted by the kidneys. Because of these properties, the artichoke functions as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production to remove the uric acid more effectively. Furthermore, an artichoke has only 40 calories, functioning as an excellent supplement to anyone who wants to lose weight. In this recipe, an artichoke is combined with lemon to improve its results. Lemon is an alkaline food, widely known for being an excellent source of vitamin C. Furthermore, it's rich in minerals and natural fiber, so it helps reduce high uric acid and aids in its elimination. The natural acids from the lemon become alkaline substances in the body, which balances the blood's pH that has been greatly altered due to the high uric acid. The nutrients in the lemon neutralize the uric acid by stimulating the production of calcium carbonate. Here's how to prepare the lemon and artichoke juice and lower high uric acid. Ingredients: 2 medium artichokes, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 liter of water. Instructions: cut the artichokes and boil them in the liter of water. When the artichokes are nice and soft, add the lemon juice and let it cool until the mixture reaches ideal drinking temperature. Strain the mixture and drink some half an hour before every meal. Continue the treatment for 2 weeks as part of a detox routine to eliminate high uric acid. If you want to use this natural remedy to prevent high uric acid, just drink it 2 to 3 times a week. The consumption of this homemade juice will help eliminate high uric acid while aiding in weight loss. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.